President Emerson Mnangagwa's appointment of General Philip Valerio Sibanda, the Zambia Politburo on 11 May 2026 has triggered significant political debate in Zimbabwe. Sarabina Mashkobra emergency, Sibanda's entry into the Politburo, generals, cartels, and the battle for ZANU-PF that was subscribed or like on the bill icon. On the news of San Rambirachiti, several layered dynamics are operating simultaneously. Some appear carefully calculated, others may produce unintended but important political effect. Speculation around Svanda's future, though, will not disappear easily because he is not an ordinary retired general. He is a former Zebra Liberation War veteran and one of Zimbabwe's longest-serving military commanders. Sibanda commanded the Zimbabwe National Army ZNA from 2003 to 2017 before leading the Zimbabwe Defense Forces from 2017 to 2025. In total, he spent 22 years in the apex of Zimbabwe's military command structures and earned a reputation among peers as a disciplined military strategist. Toma developments are kuda panguva ino achinzi General Sibanda is not an ordinary person. Vanhu musaona panguva ino achi uya achi ingofoviwa kana kuappointiwa mumazambia structures. Hapana zvinji zviripo. There is a lot of mechanisms nemapower struggles that are happening. And panguva ino pane kushuta kwaari kutoya achitoplay a role in the ruling parties and PF. At a time patona kuti pane magenerals angava maretired kana masiving generals, vamwe vari kutsakateka, vamwe vari kufaiwa, vamwe vanotongoonekwa kunzi vatotisiya vatongoshayikwa. But panguva ino tiri kuona kuti another retired general ari kuuya achireadmitiwa achiappointiwa muthe Politburo yethe ruling parties and PF. Comment section yedu dzofungira enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like chitwa bell icon.